Welcome to the fourth episode of Sigma Math. Today we are converting fractions to decimals. Ooh. So we have fractions here that we're going to have to turn into decimals. So let's take a look at 3/5. How do we turn that into a decimal? I bet you didn't know, or did you, that this fraction line actually means divide. You see how the divide symbol has the line and the dots? It looks the same. So all you have to do is divide 3 divided by 5. Woo! That's crazy. So you put the 3 on the inside, the 5 on the outside. How many times does 5 go into 3? 0. So we put a 0 here, but we're not done because the answer is not 0. So we put a decimal on the 3 and on the top, and now we can add a 0. And how many times does 5 go into 30? That's right, 6 times. And 5 times 6 is 30, so our answer is 0.6. Crazy. On to the next one, 1/8. We're going to do this one a little quicker now. So this is 1 divided by 8. So we put the 1 on the inside, 8 on the outside. You following? You following? So 8 does not go into 1, so we put a 0. And then we add our decimal. Put a 0 here. How many times does 8 go into 10? 1 time. So we put a 1. And then 8 times 1 is 8, so we minus 8. And we have 2. Are we finished? No! So we have to add another 0 and bring it down. How many times does 8 go into 20? 2 times. So we put a 2, and 8 times 2 is 16. This is crazy. Wow. We're not finished though, so we add another 0. We gotta keep adding zeros until we're finished. 8 goes into 45 times, and that's a perfect match. So that means that this is equal to 0.125. Last one, you still with me? Good. So 18 divided by 4. This time the bigger number will be inside. So 18 on the inside, 4 on the outside. How many times does 4 go into 18? That's right, 4 times. So we put a 4 on top, and 4 times 4 is 16, so we minus. Are we finished? No! We gotta wait till there's a 0 at the bottom. So we add our decimals, and we bring down the 0, and how many times does 4 go into 20? 5 times. So we put a 5, and we subtract 20, because 4 times 5 is 20. And we're all done. And we get 4.5. An important note, sometimes you won't get a 0 at the bottom. It'll repeat forever and ever and ever. That's for another video, for another day. Hope you learned something.